is the self judgment important to improve ourselves? And because a lot of time, but I have observed that whenever I start to just give me a judgment, and when I start to self judge to myself, mostly I got a just a negative result. So what do you think about it?
About the self judgment. It is sometimes important for developing yourself. If it's about the judgmenting, it has negativity. But if you want to develop yourself, so you have to make it by yourself in a alone. Because judgment is something that if you are saying this thing with another individual, that if I want to improve myself, and if you're discussing with this thing with your friends, with someone else, so it may give you the negative impact back. But if you want to improve yourself, and if self judgment can understand you, but kind of the point where you have to improve and give the boost to yourself, this thing make a person very polite and good to develop and point out the thing what is negative in myself and what is wrong in myself, so that I can improve these things. Taking it alone but not sharing these kind of things to any another individual. Self judgment is on to person to person. That's I think.
I also asked this question to my lot of friends, but they also said one particular thing to me, that it will also identify your personality. Is it true?
Yes, self-judgment identify our personality and what kind of personality you are having. If you judge yourself in a negative way, that what kind of you are lacking, and if you just continuously focusing on these things, so you will be negative. If you're focusing on that, if my body posture is not good, my knowledge is lacking behind. So if you're continuously focusing on this thing by in sleeping, while doing your work continuously, so it will give them the negative impact. If you're focusing in a positive way, just like now I'm improving, I should improve this thing. So this will give you the good and a positive impact. Just suppose if I say you a small student, if I say you that you will, if you will not study, you will be like a sweeper. The first point, and if I see if you will study, so you will change their life. They both have the different impact. So you have to be the second one, that you have to change by your opinion. If your mindset will change, so you can change the your development and your this here the self judgment improves.
Now what should I do? That should I leave it or continue?
It is about your mindset, as I mentioned you that if you want to improve yourself, like if you use your thinking like a positive individual, if you want to curious to learn something, develop yourself something, so self discipline is very important. Because if you will judge yourself that where you are lacking, so it will give you a certain boost to where you have to develop, and you will try to like in several way. Maybe you are somewhere lacking, so you can ask some like chat gpt and different thing where you're lacking, so it can help you how you can improve these things, the way it will share you instead of sharing to another individuals.